Publishing in a quality journal is a very big task for any researcher. WILEY, that's one of the quality publishers. Publishing in a WILEY journal will be a dream to many people, but they may not know how to locate right journal. But here is a step-by-step guide that will guide you to locate the exact journal within 2 minutes. Come, let's show you the WILEY journal finder. I'll show you how to do that thing in a quick. Just go to WILEY journal finder. Just I click. Just a minute. Just I click WILEY journal finder, and you will land into this particular page. And look at there, emotion. I have given my title. I've added my abstract because already I've copied and pasted here. You can do that. Then you can click find. See, look at there. You got a result immediately and 3 things. But if you compare the elsewhere journal finder, this is something very simple. And look at there, the impact factor is there. Option open access is optional. Optional means you can. It's not an open access journal. If you pay the open access fee, it will you will be able to publish it in open access also. There are 3 journal, an impact factor, but here acceptance rate, those details are not given, but it was there in the elsewhere journal finder. It is available. And in case you can check only open access, you click open access, just yes. But yeah, nothing was there. So open access for this title and abstract, no open access journal available. So I just remove yes, only this is available. And again here keyword search also not possible in this elsewhere finder. Once you understand this one, then go to submit to this journal, and it will directly you'll be able to go to the journal and you can check it up and you can do the things. Got it? So if you like this particular video, and you can just give the like button and share to your friends, help them get benefited. I want you to publish in WILEY journal. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.